Hello dear students, myself Preeti Uike, and today we start our first lesson, molecular basis of inheritance. So in this lesson we have to study this inheritance, then structure of DNA replication, protein synthesis, genetic code, operon concept, etc. So first of all, we see this definition of inheritance. What is this inheritance? So inheritance is nothing but this transmission of characters from parents to offspring. जो characters such as the similar characters which are transferred from parents to offspring, like this color of eyes, then color of hairs, structure of hairs, nose, color of skin, all these are the characters which are transferred from parents to offspring. Okay, so that characters which are transferred from one generation to this another generation. And inheritance is also called as this heredity. Heredity is nothing but this transmission of characters from parents to offspring. It is also this transmission of characters from one generation to this another generation. So for this inheritance, there are this molecules which are responsible. So which molecule is responsible for this inheritance? All living, you know well, all living organisms which are made up of the cells. Okay, and in a cell, it centrally, in a cell, suppose it is this cell. Okay, in a cell there is this nucleus is present. Here there is this nucleolus and chromatin threads are present. That chromatin network, ये क्या है? Chromatin network. It is the such a long thread like fibers which are made up by this chromosome. Okay, means this chromatin network is nothing but this chromosome. So how is this chromosome is responsible for this inheritance? Okay, so the chromosome is this large fiber like structures molecule which are present in the cell of living organism. That chromosome is responsible for this inheritance. So how is this chromosome is responsible for this inheritance? So this chromosome, okay, like this, these are the such a chromosome, a small segment of this chromosome, it is the such a small segment of this chromosome is called as this DNA. Means chromosomes is made up of this large number of DNA. Okay, and such a small segment of this DNA that is called as this जीन. उसको क्या बोला गया है? डीएनए के स्मॉल सेगमेंट को, एक डीएनए का एक छोटा सा टुकड़ा, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज दिस जीन. ओके, एंड ऑल दिस थिंग्स लाइक दिस सच अ जीन, देन डीएनए एंड क्रोमोसोम. ओके, all these things are responsible for this inheritance. जो किसके लिए responsible है? Inheritance के लिए. Because chromosomes are present in this nucleus of the cell, DNA are present on this chromosome and genes are present on this DNA. Means the gene and DNA is responsible for this inheritance. DNA and gene, these are these two molecules, these are these molecules which are responsible for this inheritance, and that's why DNA called as this genetic material. DNA is this genetic material, okay, which is responsible for this inheritance, which is responsible for this variation, heredity, mutation, evolution and expression of characters also. Okay, so DNA are the type of this nucleic acids. Nucleic acid, you are already studied in 11th class, nucleic acid. So what is this nucleic acid? Nucleic acid is this large complex organic substance which are present in this cell. Okay, so that nucleic acids, this nucleic acid nucleic acids are of this two type, that is DNA and RNA. न्यूक्लिक एसिड के दो टाइप है यहाँ पे, DNA एंड RNA. DNA means deoxyribose nucleic acid and RNA means ribose nucleic acid. Deoxyribose nucleic acids and ribose nucleic acids, these are the two type of nucleic acids, and nucleic acid is also composed of this three molecules. Okay, it is made up of these three molecules. So carbon sugar, phosphoric acid and nitrogen base, these are the three molecules which are present in this nucleic acids, and these nucleic acids which are made up by this DNA and proteins. Some scientists said that these proteins have this large capacity to store this information which are needed for this cellular activities or which are needed for this cellular metabolism. सेल का मेटाबॉलिज्म कैरी करने के लिए, सेलुलर एक्टिविटीज़ कैरी करने के लिए प्रोटीन्स की ज़रूरत होती है, एंड प्रोटीन्स हैव दिस लार्ज कैपेसिटी टू स्टोर दैट इंफॉर्मेशन. So that's why some scientists said that this protein is this genetic material. But some scientists said that protein is not the genetic material, only this DNA is this genetic material. And they perform this lot of experiments. So first experiment is this Griffith experiments. So जो पहला जो experiment है जिन्होंने DNA को डिस्कवर्ड किया है या DNA, he said that the DNA is this genetic material by performing this various experiment. So first of all we see this Griffith experiment. Okay, so that Griffith experiments, Griffith perform an experiments on the bacteria, and that bacteria is this Streptococcus pneumoniae. Okay, Streptococcus pneumoniae is this bacteria which causes this pneumonia to this healthy animals or other mammals also. And he used this two different varieties of this bacteria for curing that diseases. Okay, for curing this pneumonia को क्योर करने के लिए उन्होंने और से दो स्ट्रेन उन्होंने यूज़ किए हैं for curing this pneumonia. So first strain is this S type of strain. Here, see here, S type of strain. So this S type of strain is this virulent, smooth, pathogenic and encapsulated strain. Okay, so this S type of strain, that is smooth type of strain of bacteria which causes this pneumonia to the healthy animals or other mammals. So and other R type of bacteria. R type of bacteria is this rough, non-virulent, non-pathogenic and non-capsulated type of bacteria which is not causes this pneumonia. Okay, so this Griffith concluded that Griffith performed that experiments in a 4 step. Okay, उन्होंने 4 स्टेप में ये एक्सपेरिमेंट परफॉर्म किया है. सो इन अ फर्स्ट स्टेप ऑफ दिस ग्रिफिथ एक्सपेरिमेंट उन्होंने क्या किया है, इन अ फर्स्ट स्टेप ही इंजेक्टेड टू द हेल्दी माइस. उन्होंने हेल्दी माइस के ऊपर ये एक्सपेरिमेंट किया गया है. ही परफॉर्म दैट एक्सपेरिमेंट्स ऑन दिस हेल्दी माइस विच कॉजेज दिस न्यूमोनिया. सो in a first step of that experiments, he injected this S type of bacteria into this healthy mice. उन्होंने S type of bacteria healthy mice को inject किए हैं. Then what happened? Then this S type of bacteria, which is this virulent type of bacteria, which is this smooth type of bacteria, and it causes this pneumonia to the healthy mice. बराबर है. जब उन्होंने इस टाइप ऑफ बैक्टीरिया हेल्दी माइस को इंजेक्ट किया है, सो व्हाट हैपेंड, सो दैट माइस फॉर्म दैट माइस डेवलप दिस न्यूमोनिया एंड दे फेयर डाइड. बराबर है. और वो डाइड हो गए बिकॉज ऑफ दे सफ़र फ्रॉम दिस pneumonia. Okay. Then in a second step of this experiment, they injected this R type of bacteria or R strain of bacteria to this healthy mice. उन्होंने second step में क्या किया है? They injected, okay, he injected that R type of bacteria to this healthy mice. Then these mice do not develop this pneumonia and they are survived. Okay, उन्होंने pneumonia डेवलप नहीं किया है एंड ऑल दे आर सर्वाइव्ड. वाई दे आर सर्वाइव्ड? बिकॉज दे इंजेक्टेड दिस आर स्ट्रेन बैक्टीरिया. बराबर है, जो कि क्या है, विच इज दिस रफ एंड नॉन पैथोजेनिक एंड अ वायरुलेंट बैक्टीरिया. ओके, देन ग्रिफिथ परफॉर्म दिस एक्सपेरिमेंट इन देयर थर्ड स्टेज. उन्होंने थर्ड स्टेज में क्या किया है, he injected this heat killed smooth strain to this healthy mice. समझ में आ रहा है क्या? उन्होंने क्या किया है कि in third step he injected this smooth strain. Okay, he injected this smooth strain bacteria to this healthy mice. Then what happened? These mice do not develop this pneumonia. They were survived. They were alive. Okay, because he injected this heat-killed S type of bacteria. Then in a fourth step of this experiment, Griffith injected this heat-killed smooth strain, that is this S type of bacteria, and living R strain. Okay, उन्होंने एक मिक्सचर बनाया है जहाँ पे heat-killed S strain प्रेजेंट है एंड लिविंग आर स्ट्रेन भी प्रेजेंट है, और वो मिक्सचर उन्होंने हेल्दी माइस को इंजेक्ट किया है. ही इंजेक्टेड दिस मिक्सचर, ओके, ऑफ दिस हीट किल्ड एस टाइप ऑफ बैक्टीरिया एंड लिविंग आर टाइप ऑफ बैक्टीरिया into this healthy mice. And what happened? The mice developed this pneumonia. Mice developed this pneumonia and all they were died. These mice were died. Why? Why these mice are died? Because there is some changes which occurred during a mixture. So what happened here? When blood sample of these dead mice were cultured, okay, जब उनका blood sample culture किया गया, so the colonies of living S type are occurred. Okay, उनके यानी उनके blood samples में S type of की colonies, living colonies वहाँ पे obtain हुई है. So Griffith concluded that during his experiments, Griffith concluded that something is changed in a R strain bacteria. Because heat-killed S type of bacteria is this avirulent bacteria, and living R strain bacteria is also this avirulent bacteria, but in their mixture, living R strain bacteria is changes into this S type of bacteria, because our living R strain bacteria is pick up something from this mixture. It pick up something from this S type of bacteria, and that change, okay, and that change was this genetic. जो change क्या है? The change is this genetic change here, okay, and this heat-killed strain bacteria changes into this living S type of bacteria, and that's why these mice develop this pneumonia and they were died. Okay, understand? क्या हुआ है ये फोर्थ स्टेप में हीट किल्ड एस टाइप ऑफ बैक्टीरिया जो है वो चेंज हुए हैं लिविंग एस टाइप ऑफ बैक्टीरिया, बिकॉज लिविंग आर स्ट्रेन जो बैक्टीरिया है उन्होंने कुछ तो भी उस मिक्सचर में से पिकअप किया है. इट पिकअप द समथिंग फ्रॉम दिस S type of bacteria, heat killed S type of bacteria, and that changes is this genetic, and that's why that principle is called as this transforming principle, and that phenomena is called as this transformation. And for this transformation, some genetic changes which are occurred, and that changes because of this DNA. Okay, in the cells of that S type of bacteria, there are this DNAs are present, and that DNA is responsible for that changes. DNA is responsible for this genetic changes, and that's why something is transferred from heat killed S type of bacteria into this living R type of bacteria, and that's why living R type of bacteria is virulent, pathogenic, and that's why it formed this pneumonia to this healthy mice, and all these mice were died. Okay, so only this, because of this DNA, so Griffith concluded that the transforming unit is this DNA, and only this DNA is the genetic material which is responsible for this transformation, which is responsible for this inheritance, and which is responsible for this heredity. So that is this Griffith experiments. See here, R strain bacteria are injected into this healthy mice, then mice are alive. Smooth type of bacteria injected to the healthy mice, then mice are died because smooth is this virulent which causes this pneumonia to this healthy mice, and heat killed smooth strain bacteria were injected into this healthy mice, then these healthy mice are alive. Okay, but the mixture of this R strain and heat killed S type of bacteria are injected to this healthy mice, then these mice are died. These mice were died, and because of this transforming changes, this R strain bacteria, okay, then rough strain bacteria changes into this virulent form, and they causes this pneumonia. Okay, so अभी के लिए ये ग्रिफिथ एक्सपेरिमेंट्स काफ़ी है. नेक्स्ट टाइम we will study this another experiment to discover this DNA is this genetic material. Okay, thank you.